Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, The Craving Corner. Today we are going to make vanilla cupcakes. But before that, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time we post a new video. Here are the simple vanilla cupcakes, and these are the ingredients that we are going to be using. These are our measuring spoons, one stick of unsalted butter, or it's a half cup if you want to measure it that way, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2/3 cup of milk. I have everything laid out. My liners are ready in the pan and the mixing bowl, and once we have everything all set, we can go ahead and start mixing all our ingredients. But before that, let's check the oven. Let's preheat the oven for 350 degrees for 20 to 24 minutes, and then depending on your oven, just keep an eye once it's 20 minutes. So now let's mix the butter and sugar, blend them well. You can use a hand blender or a hand whisk or an electrical blender. Whichever works is fine. Now add the 2 eggs and blend everything else. Blend them well. Add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix it and make sure it all blends in correctly. Now let's work on our dry ingredients, and that's the 1.5 cups of flour, the baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix all these dry ingredients with either a spatula or a whisk together, and then add the dry ingredients to the creamy ones in the mixing bowl along with the 2/3 cup of milk. Now again, you can use the hand blender, whisk, electric blender, and try to fluff it up. So beat it up for 2 minutes. And then you can start pouring the batter in the liners. Maybe just fill it up to 2/3, not the full, so that it fluffs up once it starts baking. Put it in your baking oven and see how it fluffs up after 15 minutes. And once 24 minutes are done, you can check and make sure the fork comes out clean. And here we have ready. You can top it with any frosting that you like. I have chocolate, whipped cream, and chocolate chips, but you can use whatever you prefer, whichever flavor. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.